Alright, so I want you guys to take a picture of your selfie, just like this. Wow, I look ugly, by the way. And then we're gonna open up the Adobe Illustrator, which is going to look like this. Then we're gonna go to File, New, and then we're gonna make 8 by 5, 8.5 by 8.5 inch by 11 inch. Hit Create. And then here we're gonna drag and drop the selfie that we took. So we're gonna drop it in there. So that's a little bit too big, but that is fine for now. So here I'm gonna select this and I'm gonna go to Window, Image Trace. Then here I want you to select 6 colors right here. So the computer is gonna do like rendering kind of thing. This might take a minute or two. Especially on a school computer, it might take a little bit longer. So it converted into this kind of a vector drawing. But here I don't want 6, I actually want 5. Then go to, then it's gonna do the rendering again. Okay, and then the path, I'm gonna make it a little bit larger, so 70%. You don't have to if you're satisfied with your picture right here. But I'm just gonna crank it up a little bit because I want more detail. Well, it didn't do much. So, alright, so once you done that, you just close this. And then if you take a look at right here, it says expand. So let's hit expand. So now what it does is it separated each element based on this color. So if I were to do this, I only get this, what do you call it, this brown and things like that. So obviously I don't want this background right here, the green background. So I'm gonna select it. I'm gonna select it with using this this tool right here. Hit delete, and I don't want these as well. So delete, delete, and delete. So I am left with just myself. And I don't want this green, so select all the elements that is green. Select the element, go to select, same, fill color. So now it's gonna select all the element that is has a green color. I'm gonna hit delete. So now my picture is completely free of green. Alright. So now I want you to do is go to Google and type in Adobe Color. And go to this page right here, color.adobe.com. And here you will be able to choose like a color scheme that you want to work with. You could use like Adobe Illustrator's function like this, color guide and things like that. You can do like a triad and things like that, but I think this just works better. So here I'm gonna use a triad color. You can choose analogous or monochromatic or triad. Don't do the monochromatic because it's kind of boring. So let's do the triadic. You know what? I'm gonna do complementary actually. So I'm gonna do like a. So if you click one of these and move it around, it's gonna move entire color palette according to that. According to the color harmony right here. So I'm gonna do this. So here I want you to select 3 colors among these colors. So I want you to select the lightest and the mid-tone and the darkest. So I'm gonna use these 3. For the lightest, I'm gonna use this blue right here, and then for the mid-tone here, and for the darkest, I'm gonna use this brown right here. So first thing first, I wanna select, actually darkest this, and let's pick 4 colors just to make it a little bit more interesting. So which is darker? This is darker, so this is going to be second darkest, and this is going to be the darkest. So I'm gonna double click this number right here. So this is what the hex code is for the color. So let's just copy this, Control C, and go to Illustrator, and let's select the darkest area of this photograph. So make sure to use this tool, direct selection tool right here, and let's select that, and let's go to select, same, color, and now all the same color, this color is selected. So here I'm gonna go to double click, and here I'm gonna paste it in the number that we just copied and hit OK, and now all that color is converted to this this brown, I mean not brown, the blue. So here I'm gonna select the second darkest and find the second darkest area, which is going to be this guy right here. Select same color, double click, boom, drop it in there. Alright, so it's starting to looking good. And now let's select the second lightest, so which is going to be this guy right here. Select same fill color, double click, drop that in. Then I'm gonna select the lightest, which is going to be this guy. This guy, select same fill color, drop that in. Alright, so that is it for creating your color harmony self-portrait. So now let's go to the direct selection tool, just selection tool, and select everything and hold down the shift. Let's resize this photo so that pretty. Okay. Alright, so that is cool. That is a cool looking self-portrait right here. Actually, I wanna make a backdrop, so I'm gonna push that back in. Oh, that is kind of cool, I'll say. Or how about like this? That's also cool, but I could use color like this. Coloring. Yeah, that's not bad. So I want you to just experiment with different things. That's not bad as well. How about I do like right here? Not bad either. So I want you to finish this by this, and then I want you to go to File, and where is that? Export and save for web. And then hit JPEG and hi, then save it, and then email it to me. So this is going to be your exercise for today's lecture, not lecture, for today's class. All right, so I'm gonna help you guys along the way. Well, I don't have to say this. I can just say it, right?